Welcome to this professional guide comparing Delta-Wye versus Wye-Wye transformer configurations for electricians and engineers. We will begin by reviewing the fundamentals and understanding the building blocks of three-phase power distribution. A delta connection uses coils connected in a closed triangle loop. It lacks a neutral point and is used in primary transmission, providing high current capacity. This diagram illustrates the three-wire delta primary connection, and the formula shows that line voltage equals phase voltage, and line current is the square root of 3 times phase current. A Y or star connection uses coils that connect at a common neutral point. It supports dual voltages and is ideal for residential and commercial distribution. In the Y connection, line current equals phase current, and line voltage is the square root of 3 times phase voltage. The neutral point is key for providing dual voltages. The Delta-Wye setup is the standard for distribution transformers. It converts high-voltage transmission power into usable service levels, and the Y secondary provides a crucial neutral point for unbalanced household loads. This configuration is essential for modern power distribution, providing necessary voltage levels and neutral grounding. The Wye-Wye setup allows for grounding on both the primary and secondary sides, useful for high-voltage systems. However, these systems are vulnerable to third harmonic currents, which can cause heat and interference. Key differences include the 30-degree phase displacement in Delta-Wye versus the 0-degree displacement in Wye-Wye. Also, Delta-Wye is common for utility distribution, while Wye-Wye is often used in high-voltage transmission. The 30-degree phase shift in a Delta-Wye transformer is critical. It means you cannot parallel a Delta-Wye with a Wye-Wye transformer without the risk of catastrophic failure. Delta-Wye is commonly used for residential power, providing standard voltages. Wye-Wye is suitable for industrial substations requiring primary neutral grounding. Delta is also used for long-distance transmission. The Delta advantage lies in handling harmonics. The Delta winding circulates third harmonic currents within the loop, preventing them from entering supply lines, resulting in cleaner power output. For safety, the neutral and Y connections must be solidly grounded. This is vital for homeowners, as it prevents high voltage from energizing metal fixtures during an electrical fault.